Today we are going to make a linguine pasta. So to make the pasta, we have prepared all the ingredients: garlic, broccoli, and the red capsicum, and the chicken. And these are and also we will be adding some other ingredient like cheese and corn. So we will be making a pasta. This is for our grandchildren. The pasta, first we are going to temper the chicken. So we added some oil and we are adding the chicken. We are temper the chicken now, so we don't want to cook the chicken too much, otherwise you lose the combination for the pasta. Now we are going to add the vegetable. We are adding the garlic now, and then we are adding the broccoli and the capsicum. So we will mix them, and likewise, we cook the and also we are going to add some corn there. Corn, the grandchildren love the corn. We have cooked the chicken, broccoli, and corn to be mixed with the pasta. This is the linguine pasta, so we are ready to cook them. And so the water is boiled, so we are adding the pasta now. Now the pasta has been nicely cooked and it's not overcooked, rightly cooked. Adding the pasta, and then we will stir and mix with the vegetables and the chicken. Now they have been stirred and mixed very well with all the vegetables. Looking colorful and great. Pasta has been cooked now. Looking very delicious and the mouth watering. Pasta is ready. It has been cool and warm and ready to be served. So we have added the beautiful free range egg. So the pasta go with this combination of vegetables, chicken and egg. Thank you very much for watching this video, and appreciate your subscription to our YouTube channel. Thank you.